Hi guys, my name is Lily and I'm going to show you this elf. This is a glow in the dark. It has bats on it. And it has little swirls and it has a beauty mark. And I think it has a Z on its back. It does have a Z on its back. I see because it's pink. And here's her wings, and she can glow in the dark. I might show you in another video, so I hope you want to like to watch it. I'm going to do close up. Yeah. I just had to talk with my mouth. So this eye. So that's her wing. So there her ears. Cute. A vampire do. Thanks for watching. See you on DCDC. This is Amy Jo. This is actually Lilia's, because I've been watching Amy Jo's.